up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Hey, how are you? Today I'm going to be discussing like OnlyFans. I got a lot of questions. Y'all know I did a video on OnlyFans and broke the news that they were getting rid of like adult content on their site. I did a video about it and what my thoughts were, but since then, as y'all all know, they changed their mind. They changed it, and I got a lot of questions. I got like a lot of emails and stuff, and people want to know what I'm doing or my thoughts about it. So this is basically just a follow-up of that video since they changed their mind, and also just answering the questions that you guys have for me that I've been seeing a lot. So that's what we're doing. So I got a lot of questions. People think I'm quitting OnlyFans, and I don't know why. I never really, even when they were changing their policies, I told you guys that I planned on keeping my OnlyFans because my profile that I have on OnlyFans right now, even if they were to change their policies, my content would have still have been allowed based on what they explained in their policy update. So I never said I wasn't getting rid of my OnlyFans. I guess people just kind of assumed since they were changing their policies. I don't know, but I keep getting questions like I'm quitting OnlyFans. I don't know where that came from. I'm not quitting OnlyFans. So that's first and foremost. So I got a lot of questions about like my opinion on them changing their mind, and I feel like in the future, if they did this and they made this big deal, everyone was talking about this on all the news outlets, I feel like it's a possibility in the future that it can happen again and they actually go through with it. I know when they released the official statement saying that they're not going to change their policy, they said they suspended the policy changes, which doesn't necessarily mean that they won't do it again in the future. Like I said, it's just suspended for now, so who knows, like next year sometime they might try to do this thing again, and you never know. So my opinion on it, I don't trust them. A lot of people felt like they were gaslighted by them, which I completely understand, because I don't know how long from when they announced the policy change to where they changed it back. It was less than a week, I know, I'm pretty sure. But people were like in an uproar, especially people that like depend on OnlyFans to live. So I feel like that's why they think it was gaslighting them, because they were literally like, it's not funny, but they were stressed and then now they were gonna take care of themselves anymore. And I completely understand that. Like I said, it would never affected me immediately, but I don't know, I don't like it, and I can definitely sympathize with them, like why they thought it was gaslighting. And there's people that I've read online that are still leaving OnlyFans, or they're making other accounts because they don't completely trust them, and I get it. Another question I was getting is if I'm gonna make like another platform like OnlyFans. I did make a Pocket Stars because I seen it was very popular, but I feel like that one's for like more hardcore adult content, and you guys know mine is basically just lingerie and things like that. So I feel like that wouldn't be the best platform for me, but I did sign up for it, but I'm gonna delete my account on there, and I'm just gonna sign up for Fansly because it seems to be the one that's most similar to OnlyFans that I've been researching. I know there's tons of sites out there, but Pocket Stars, I will say, is like the most popular one, then Fansly. But I feel like Fansly is just like more for my kind of content. But definitely look into different ones. There's tons of them out there. Tyga's coming up with the My Star one, which is launching in October, I believe. So I might check that out when it comes out. But in the meantime, I am gonna make a Fansly and see how that goes for me. I plan on applying today, which is Tuesday, and I don't know if this video is gonna go up Wednesday or Thursday. But if I do have my account by then, I'll make sure to put my username in the description on the screen, wherever, or I'll let you guys know somehow that I do have a Fansly account. I plan on posting things a little bit differently on my Fansly. If you go on my OnlyFans, your first month is $3, and you have to pay for like extra content. I plan on my Fansly making the price more, but you won't have to pay for the extra content. Everything will go directly on my timeline. You don't have to pay to see extra, but the subscription price will be more, basically. So that's what I plan on doing with my Fansly. So it's a little bit different, just in case, you know, people just want to pay a flat fee to see everything as opposed to like paying for different stuff. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, we'll see if I even get approved. We gotta see. Also, I'm just making it as like a backup in case OnlyFans does decide in the future to get rid of adult content again, because you never know. So if you're ladies, if you do OnlyFans right now and you're scared that they're gonna do this again, definitely make another site as a backup. That's just my opinion, but I would definitely do it, because if they did it this time, and I've heard it's been threatened a lot before, so yeah, might want to make another account somewhere else. Another question I got, which I've been slacking on, I know, is will I be replying to my OnlyFans email? Y'all know I have an OnlyFans email that I specifically have for like girls to reach out about promo questions. And I stopped replying to those messages when OnlyFans broke the news that they were going to be banning adult content. So I'm behind. I've been trying to catch up. So if you emailed me, I'm sorry, but I'll try to get back to you. I am going to start checking it regularly again, since OnlyFans isn't going anywhere right now. But that's why, if I haven't responded to you and you emailed me on that email, that's why I stopped responding, because I thought OnlyFans wasn't going to be a thing anymore. So yeah, I'm really behind on that. But I am. Email me again. Just do that. Email me again. Copy and paste your message so it's like at the top, and email me again. Sorry. Also, I'm going to be still doing my OnlyFans videos. I know that people were concerned I was going to stop my OnlyFans videos, but I'm still going to be doing them, giving you guys all the tea on how to make the most money on OnlyFans. I am kind of out of ideas though. I feel like I did a lot of videos and gave you guys most of the tea I know, but I don't know. Let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see. If y'all want to see specific videos, I don't know. I did a day in a life. I did a lot. I plan on doing a video on how to edit your pictures. I think I'm probably gonna do that next week. Yeah, I'll probably do that video, and then I don't know what else you guys want to see. Let me know. And if you guys haven't signed up for OnlyFans yet, make sure you use my referral link. It's on my link tree, which is in my description. Use that link, and if you use my link to sign up, I give you free promo. And if you do sign up with my referral link, I'll give you the free promo, and be like your mentor, answer any questions you have, and yeah, I'll be your OnlyFans mentor. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here and let you guys know those things, because I've been getting a lot of questions and I haven't been able to respond to everybody, because I don't know why. I honestly don't know. I just guess I'm lazy, because I don't do shit, y'all. I don't do shit. And like, once when I got the news about OnlyFans, I kind of was like stressing myself out, because like I said, it wasn't going to affect my my account, but I feel like in the long run it would have, because people were like, the consumers were going to leave OnlyFans. If you understand what I'm saying, in the long run it would have affected my money as well. And y'all know I do OnlyFans full time, so need the money. So when they announced that, I kind of just got, I was kind of stressed out too, I'm not gonna lie. So I guess it kind of was gaslighting on their part. But yeah, I think that's it. But I'm better now. I feel like my money kind of like, not stopped, but like wasn't, when OnlyFans broke that news, I feel like I wasn't getting, I don't know, I can't explain it. Like, I feel like my money stopped for like a couple of days. Like, I wasn't getting as much money as I was usually making on there, and it was like kind of bothering me, because I'm like, oh my god, like people are subbing no more because they know OnlyFans isn't gonna be a thing, and I was like really stressing myself out. So I feel like that's why I stopped replying to things, because I was nervous, I guess, because I'm used to a certain money flow on OnlyFans and I wasn't getting it. But I will say August was the most I made on OnlyFans thus far, even though I had that slow period. Sorry, there's a car outside. But even though I had that slow period, I still made like the most money. But it just felt like, I don't know, there was just a few days I was stressed out, y'all. I was stressed out. Yeah, subscribe to my OnlyFans, y'all. The first month is always $3, and if you decide to stay after that, it's like $11 to $12. I forget. But I've gotten great reviews. I know I don't do like the hardcore adult content on my OnlyFans, but the people that are subscribed enjoy it. They tell me all the time it's worth it, especially $3. And ladies, if you want to subscribe to my OnlyFans and see what I'm posting on there to get ideas for your OnlyFans, go ahead. Still, any ideas from there, I don't care. Yeah, I don't care. But yeah, it's $3. Go check it out. It's $3. But make sure you guys subscribe, share this video, comment. Yeah, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.